Let's learn how to enable dark mode. Now this mobile has light mode. You can see the white background. We can convert this into dark mode and we can schedule a time to automatic enable dark mode. Let's learn how to do this. Go to your mobile settings and go to display option. Now this is light mode. We can click on this dark mode. Now our mobile background is going to dark. You can see our notification bar and all are going to dark mode. We can schedule a time to activate dark mode automatically. If you want to set a time, click on this dark mode settings option. After, click on this turn on as scheduled option. In the second method, you can add a custom time. In first method, you can set it to automatically convert to dark mode, sunset to sunrise. If you enable this feature, you should want to turn on your mobile location. Now I set a custom time. If you like to set a custom time, you can enable this feature. You can click on custom schedule. After, you can set start time and end time. In this method, you can enable dark mode and you can set a custom time to activate dark mode automatically. I think this feature is very helpful to you.